So I'm trying to make French baguettes for the first time, and I have my dough here on parchment paper, and I did the little slits like they said to do. This one has a little more flour than this one, so it looks a lot better. So it's supposed to be sort of like steamed in a 450 oven. So I have my boiling water here, and I'm putting it in a metal pan. And I will put the pan in the oven first. So in most ovens you would have 2 racks. In the AGA you can use the bottom floor of the oven as a rack. So I'm going to put my steaming water in here in the bottom, and I'm going to intentionally spilling a little bit to make it steamy. And then I'm going to put this in here on the top and maybe steam a little more. And that's it for 15 minutes. Okay, so the timer just went off and we're going to see how they look. Wow, looks pretty good.
Beautiful.
So the one with the more flour did better. Or it looks better, at least. And we'll take our little water out. It's a lot left. So that's how you cook French baguettes.